A 19-year-old just bought a Tesla by selling Notion templates. A mom in Ohio quit her nursing job because her recipe blog now makes $8,000 a month. And yesterday, I watched a guy earn $500 in 20 minutes reviewing a $3 phone charger on TikTok, while people with college degrees are fighting for $15 per hour jobs. Something's broken. Or maybe something's finally working. See, we're living through the biggest wealth transfer in human history, and it's happening on your phone. The internet didn't just change how we communicate. It flipped the entire economy upside down. And most people are still playing by the old rules. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how regular people with 0 followers, 0 experience, and 0 startup money are building real income streams online. No BS. No, follow your passion fluff. Just the actual playbook. Stick around, because what I reveal at the end will flip everything you think you know about online income. Let's break this down. Let's start with the 3 buckets of online income. Here's how to think of the entire make money online world. Imagine you're standing in front of 3 big buckets. Bucket 1, selling stuff. Bucket 2, doing stuff. Bucket 3, owning stuff. That's it. Almost every online income stream falls into one or more of those buckets. Let's walk through each one like we're building a lemonade stand on the internet. Bucket 1, selling stuff, digital lemonade. You're selling a product online. Could be physical, could be digital. Back in the day, you needed a store inventory, a cash register, and a cousin who'd help you carry boxes. Now, you can open a Shopify store in 20 minutes, or list a digital planner on Etsy, or sell a Notion template to people you'll never meet. Here's a wild example. Sarah, a graphic designer from Texas, creates Instagram story templates. She sells them for $15 each on Etsy. Last month, $12,400 in revenue from templates people use once and delete. It's the digital version of making lemonade once, bottling it, and sending it out forever. And the best part? No sticky hands. Bucket 2. Doing stuff, online labor. This is the bucket most people start with, especially if you don't have money to invest. You're trading your time for cash. But instead of driving to an office, you open your laptop and work from your couch. Freelance writing, video editing, virtual assistants, teaching English to kids in China. Think of it this way. You're a digital handyman. Instead of fixing pipes, you fix PowerPoint slides. Instead of painting walls, you paint thumbnails for YouTube videos. If you've got a skill, someone online will pay for it. Take Marcus, a former Walmart employee. He learned video editing from YouTube tutorials for 3 months. Now he edits videos for real estate agents at $150 per video. He does 6 videos a week from his bedroom. That's $3,600 monthly. More than his old full-time job. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal are basically the digital job boards of the modern world. This kind of work still ties your income to your time, but it pays well. And more importantly, it's your foot in the door. You start by doing. Later, you move on to owning. Bucket 3. Owning stuff, digital real estate. This is the long game. The wealth builder. It's the difference between renting your time and owning your lane. Let's say you write an ebook. You sell it for $10. If it sells 100 times a month, that's $1,000 without you writing a single new word. Imagine you own a YouTube channel, or a blog, or an app, or even a silly little meme Instagram page with affiliate links. Once you've built it, it earns while you sleep. It's like buying a vending machine, filling it up once, and watching people drop coins in every day. Here's a real example. Jessica started a blog about organizing small apartments. She spent 8 months writing posts that nobody read. Then one post about bathroom storage hacks went viral on Pinterest. Now that single post brings in $2,300 per month through affiliate links to storage products. It's been earning for 18 months straight. That's where the smartest online entrepreneurs live. They don't just hustle for cash. They build assets that keep paying them. But wait, isn't this all too crowded? Here's what people say next. Yeah, but it's too late. Everyone's already doing this stuff. Nope. That's like saying it's too late to open a pizza place because pizza already exists. What matters is how good your pizza is, or how fast you deliver it, or how fun your menu sounds. In online terms, it's your skill, your brand, your voice, your consistency. Even something as boring as Excel tutorials has YouTubers making 6 figures. Excel is fun has over 3,000 videos and makes $40,000 plus monthly from ads and courses. Why? Because people like the way he explains things. Not what, how. The AI factor. Threat or tool. Before we go further, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, ChatGPT can write blog posts. Yes, Midjourney can design logos. Yes, AI can edit video, write code, even narrate voices. But here's what no AI has. Taste. It can mimic, but it can't originate. People still pay for human creativity, insight, humor, curation, and trust. Use AI as a force multiplier. It's like hiring 5 assistants who work for free. They'll help you move faster, test quicker, and scale sooner. But they still need you to steer the ship. Case in point. David uses ChatGPT to draft his newsletter, but he rewrites every paragraph in his voice. His personal finance newsletter now has 47,000 subscribers paying $8 per month. The AI helps him write faster. But his personality is what sells. The iceberg illusion. Here's another thing that trips people up. You see someone on Instagram saying, "I made $20,000 this month from my digital course." And you think, how? I can't even get 20 views on my reel. What you're seeing is the tip of the iceberg. What you're not seeing, the 3 years they spent writing blog posts, the 12 failed product launches, the time they spent learning how Stripe works, the $8,000 they lost on ads that didn't convert. Making money online is like growing a tree. You water it for months, maybe years, then one day fruit. Most people quit during the watering phase. The formula, skill times platform equals income. Making money online boils down to 2 ingredients. Skill equals what you can do. Write, design, teach, code, entertain, organize, explain. Platform equals where you do it. YouTube, Etsy, Gumroad, Fiverr, TikTok, Medium, Shopify. Mix the right skill with the right platform. Magic happens. For example, skill, teaching, platform, YouTube, income, ad revenue, sponsorships, courses, skill, drawing, platform, Etsy, income, printables, clip art, coloring books, skill, writing, platform, Medium, income, partner program, affiliate links. The tricky part? Most people spend years learning a skill and 0 time learning how to sell it. But I don't have any skills. Yes, you do. You just haven't named them yet. Can you write clearly? Can you break down instructions? Are you funny in a dry, sarcastic way? Can you find cool stuff and talk about it? That's content. That's value. If you don't have a skill yet, borrow one. Learn a simple one in 30 days. Want proof? There are people who learned Canva in a month and now design Instagram carousels for $75 each. There are folks who binged ChatGPT tutorials and now offer AI content packages to small businesses for $500 per month. You don't need to be world-class. You just need to be better than the person who's too busy to learn it themselves. The platform personality test. Think of each online platform like a different city. They each have their own language, rules, and vibe. You're more of a writer than a talker? Medium, Substack, or a faceless blog with affiliate links might be your home. You love talking and explaining things visually? YouTube's your playground. Great at quick reactions and writing trends? TikTok or Instagram Reels could be your moneymaker. Love designing pretty things? Try Etsy or Creative Market. People buy fonts, resume templates, printable wedding invites. Numbers geek who loves optimization? Try flipping stuff on eBay or running Facebook ads for local businesses. There's no best platform. There's only the one that plays to your strengths and doesn't drain your soul. The 3-month rule. Whatever you choose, tattoo this on your mind. Give it 90 days before you judge it. Not 9 days. Not 3 videos. Not, I posted on Twitter once and no one liked it. Building online income is like going to the gym. You don't lift twice and expect abs. You don't write 1 article and expect passive income. You need reps. And most of the growth is invisible. Until it's not. That Medium post you wrote last month? It might quietly bring in $50 per month for years. That YouTube video with 73 views today could be at 73,000 next year if the algorithm grabs it. Consistency beats genius. Always. How the money actually shows up. Let's talk dollars. There are really only 5 ways money lands in your account from online work. 1. Selling products, physical or digital. Think Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify. 2. Selling services. Your time, your brain, your skills. Freelancing, coaching, consulting. 3. Ad revenue, YouTube, Medium Partner Program, blog ads. You get paid for attention. 4. Affiliate marketing. You recommend products, and if someone buys through your link, you get a cut. 5. Subscriptions/memberships. People pay monthly for your content, courses, community, or tools. Most successful online earners do a mix. A YouTuber might earn ad revenue, promote affiliate products, and sell their own course. An Etsy seller might offer digital templates and coaching on how to make them. Think of each income stream as a faucet. At first it drips, but turn on a few faucets at once, and suddenly you've got a stream. Choosing your starting point. That depends on 3 things. 1. Time. Do you have 2 hours a day? Or just weekends? 2. Money. Can you invest in tools? Or do you need to start free? 3. Energy. Do you want fast wins? Or are you okay with slow growth? You've got time, but no money. Learn a skill and freelance. You've got money, but no time. Sell digital products or invest in content creation. You've got both. Build something you can own. But whatever you do, don't try to do everything at once. Pick one. Go deep. Test. Tweak. Repeat. Making money online isn't about genius. It's about stacking small wins. And those wins start to snowball. Don't worry about the tech. A lot of folks get stuck here. What tools do I need? Do I need a fancy mic or camera? Which website builder should I use? Here's the answer. Use what gets you started the fastest. Use your phone. Use free tools like Canva, CapCut, Google Docs, DaVinci Resolve. You don't need perfect branding or the perfect niche. You need to move. Clarity comes from motion, not overthinking. Mindset, the invisible engine. Making money online isn't just about skills and platforms. It's about belief. Because there are 2 types of people online. The ones who say, this won't work for me. And the ones who say, I'll figure it out. Guess who ends up making money? It's not the smartest one. It's the one who keeps showing up when no one's watching. Who publishes their 11th blog post, even though the first 10 flopped. Who launches the course again after nobody bought the first time. Who builds a weird little niche brand. And suddenly it takes off. The internet rewards persistence more than perfection. You don't have to be first. You just have to stay in the game. Here's what will completely change how you think about making money online. You're not building a business. You're building a time machine. Think about it. Every piece of content you create today, every blog post, every video, every product, every social media post becomes a digital asset that can make you money years from now. That random YouTube video you post today, it could be discovered by the algorithm in 2027 and make you $10,000. That ebook you write this weekend, it could be selling 50 copies a month in 2030. While everyone else trades time for money in a job, you're literally creating future income streams that work without you. You're not just making money, you're bending time itself. Most people think, I work today, I get paid today. Smart online entrepreneurs think, I work today, I get paid forever. That 19-year-old with the Tesla? He created those Notion templates 2 years ago. They're still selling today. Every morning, he wakes up to sales notifications from work he did when he was 17. That mom in Ohio, her recipe blog posts from 2022 are still bringing in affiliate commissions in 2025. This is the real secret. You're not building income. You're building a machine that prints money while you sleep, vacation, or move on to the next project. Every hour you invest online has the potential to pay you back for decades. That's not hype. That's the mathematics of digital leverage. Making money online is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's just work. A different kind of work. A more flexible, scalable, time-bending kind of work. You pick a skill. You match it with the right platform. You show up. You learn. You iterate. You build. That's it. It's not easy, but it's not rocket science either. It's just a shift from consuming to creating, from waiting to testing, from watching others win to getting in the ring yourself. The internet is the closest thing we have to a real-life cheat code for wealth building. But like any cheat code, you have to know it exists to use it. Now you know. The question is, what are you going to do about it? If this opened your eyes to what's possible, hit that like button and subscribe for more real talk about building wealth online. Thanks for watching.